Hi, my name's Eddie. So this is I've had 11 ceremonies now with ayahuasca, and it's so prior to coming doing the entire ayahuasca ceremonies, I was a drug addict for years, like 10 years, maybe a little bit more, and I suffered with a lot of hate and just depression, I guess is the best way to put it. So I was trying to look for an outlet. I tried different techniques to try to heal myself. A lot of trauma I went through in my life, and I just tried searching for ways to try to heal various things in the Western world, I guess, and nothing really seemed to work. But with ayahuasca, it's like I came here and I don't know. I just had it cleared a lot of the blockage, a lot of the stress, the trauma, the hate that I had for myself and everybody else in the world. It relieved the ideas for wanting to use and cope with those feelings through drug addiction and alcohol. It really set the pace for my life in a new way. It like gave me a reset for all the shit that I went through in my entire life. And I've never been more grateful in my life for this kind of situation. I don't know. I've relived my traumas that I went through. I relived the things I did, and it helped me heal through all of it. It helped me, gave me a new light on things. It gave me a new, I guess, hope for life. I no longer want to kill myself. I don't want to use drugs, so these are good things. If Yeah, it's I feel happy and I love myself for the first time in my life since I started doing ayahuasca, and I plan to try coming back as much as I can, just to get a refresh, try to reset myself and keep myself on the right path. If there's people out there who are curious about it, or they might have similar pasts, or they just want to experience it, I would highly suggest just going and doing it and experiencing this. It's life-changing. It's absolutely life-changing. There's nothing else I've done in my life that's helped me as much as this has. So I really hope that you go through it if you decide, and I hope this might help anybody else out there. That's all I got.